Well, hello, my lovelies. Today we're going to work with silicone. Quite often, silicone is used, you can see on the edging here, but I'm going to use it. I had a very untalented artist visit my home and decide to, for some reason, take a pencil and crack up this area. So I toyed with wood filler, wood putty, but I think we're gonna, in as much as we're working with plaster and lathe, I think the silicone would best stop it from causing other cracks. So let's get started and I'll show you exactly what products you're gonna need. Okay, so I have what we're gonna need. Now, there's another way you can apply silicone, and that's with the caulking gun. And then you have a tube. It almost looks like a gun, and then you squeeze the trigger, and it forces the silicone out. But for ease, I'm just going to use this, about $6 at your hardware store. And then now you're going to bring out your inner artist, and you're going to use your fingies. So we're going to get dirty. It's going to be fun. And then I'm going to tape off exactly where I do want the silicone. If I felt more talented, I would just apply it right on the damaged area, but I'm going to green tape it off just to ensure that silicone only goes exactly where I want it. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this tape and I'm going to tape two sides and keep a middle. And the middle is going to be where we apply the silicone. So we'll, as soon as I've got that taped up, then I will show you application. Okay, as you can see, I've taped off this line here. You can see where the damage has also been created. And then anything that would sit up higher than where the silicone would sit, I carved down a little bit. So make sure that all your edges are on, nice and straight. They're adhering. There we go. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to open up the silicone. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this cap off, and then you're going to cut a hole . So I've taken the cap off, and then you're going to cut a hole here with just ordinary scissors. So let me get that done. Okay, so here we are, just with the ordinary pair of house scissors. And then we're just going to cut a little nib at the end. So you'll see a little line there. Just going to cut that. Okay, there we go. She's cut. Now we're ready to apply. So you're squeezing the tube, getting the product out of there, and then you're simply going to just wipe your finger along this way. There we go. Keep applying the product all the way to the end. There we go. Just going slow. And then you're just going to apply your product. There we go. Just bring it along gently. There we go. So now what we're going to do is we're going to remove the tape. So Well, there we go, my lovelies. As you can see, we have a beautiful, beautiful line of white there, bordering between the wood and the wall. So silicone is quite easy and pliable to work with. Don't be scared of it. And have fun. Okay, my lovelies. Have a wonderful, wonderful, happy, sunny, beautiful day.